Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, 6:03 a.m. Doing some lawn watering. I got to get some vehicles moved around because, considering I'm not making any money right now, I think we ought to start driving this little guy. He gets much better fuel economy than that beast out there, so I got to get that out of the way. And then get this guy out and maybe get that guy in here. I don't know. I got to figure it out, but that's something I'm working on right now. I'll get it worked out and let you know what I think. All right, so we're going. So I got a lot on the go today. I have to, well, to get anybody caught up that didn't see the last video, my place of employment burned down last Monday, 6 days ago, and we had a meeting on Friday, and essentially we're all getting paid out. We're all unemployed, 150 people out of work. So the company and the union are doing what they can. I mean, I don't know what we would expect, but they're doing what they can. The company is providing placement in other facilities. Unfortunately, that would mean for me moving out of the state of California, which to some of you probably sounds amazing, but I like it in California, and my whole family's here, so at least my immediate family, so I have zero intention on moving out of California. My only real option as I see it is to finally pull the trigger and work for myself. I did it once before in the landscape maintenance industry, and I'm doing it again. I'm licensed, I'm insured, I have been the whole time. I have business cards. I'm trying to think of what else I might need. I do have to go, I had Staples print up some flyers for me. I'm not sure how I'm going to distribute them, but I have to go this morning to pick those up. They open at like 10 o'clock. That's in a little over 3 hours. So one of the ways we're going to change gears on this channel is we're going to follow that process. Some of it might be boring, some of it might be exciting. It's all going to be a little exciting and a little scary for me. I went from, I didn't make a ton of money, but I went from making $50,000 a year to nothing. So today is Sunday. Tomorrow's the beginning of the work week, and I got to get to work. Thankfully, I do have an appointment to look at to bid a job tomorrow as well as Monday. So that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. We have to make it work. If anybody has any suggestions out there, I'd love to hear them, because I really don't know what I'm doing. When I worked for myself prior, I didn't really need it back then, so I didn't work at it like I probably should have, which was probably my mistake. Well, was definitely my mistake. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're getting stuff watered right now. I got the normal weekend chores that I have to keep up on, regardless of what happens. So I'm out here cleaning the shop a little bit. Yeah, okay. And yeah, we'll get after this. So I'll bring you guys with me on this journey. Well, I'm really anxious. It's only 8:40. But I'm really anxious to go pick these flyers up. I really want to see how they came out. I only got 100 of them. I don't know how far that's going to go, but it's same day pickup. So I mean, if I have to, I'll order 100 more. I think they were only like $35 for the 100 of them that I did order. But it's going to be interesting. Like I said, anxious. I want to go get them, start dispersing them. Right now I'm just I recognize the fact that doing what I'm doing, I'm going to need this shop to, whether it be to work on projects, equipment repairs, or whatever it may be. I'm going to need it. So I'm trying to get it somewhat organized right now, which is not going too well because, as I've said 10,000 times before, I've got too much crap. Way too much garbage. But what I want to do is I want to get the table saw. I used to have it up against the wall here, and I want to get it back over there. But I've just got so much stuff to get out of the way first. I pretty much got it cleared off now. It's just a matter of seeing if I can't pick it up without destroying my back. Let's see what we see. I mean, I don't have to pick it up. I can move some other stuff, but probably easier just to pick it up. Ooh. Come on, work with me here. All right, we're good, we got it. We got this. I need to get it up on there, get the shop vac moved. All right, that is awesome. The saw's in the way a little bit here. Let's see. There we go. Just want to kind of get things situated. Now, I might get the miter saw in next to it, or so, I don't know, somewhere. For now, I'm just clearing up some floor space. Get the router up here. Those of you that have been following the channel for some time now will remember this is how it used to be. All right, but we got much more walking room now, so that's amazing. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna just a quick little update here to get you caught up on what's going on. It's 8:43. I'm gonna leave here at about 9:30. I have to stop by work and return the possessions that the company owns, my keys, radio, hard hat, stuff like that. Probably chit chat with them for a little while, and then head up and pick up my flyers. Gonna make a run by the bank. What else do I have to do? I might stop by Lowe's, get some stuff for the lawn. But anyway, that's where we're at now. We'll get some more work done in here and pick it back up in a while. All right, guys, just got out of Staples. Take a look at this. Oh yeah. I like them. What do you think? It's good? It's yeah, I like it. I'm not sure how much I like the white contrast to the light green, but hey, it works. It works for now. So we're gonna head back to the shop, and we're probably gonna run around town and put some of these up, actually. So yeah, let's get to it, eh? Have a look, guys. You know, it makes a big difference when you have to use the space to work as opposed to want to. I've made a big improvement in here. I've got an air conditioner sitting there. It's just the fan's just blowing right now. It's not that hot in here, but it will be. Got another air conditioner over there. What I'm going to work on now, though, is everything you see. I don't know about this workbench, this whole thing's going, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it right now, but I'm going to work on getting that toolbox, everything off the top, so you know, I'm getting stuff cleared out so it's usable. I'm going to rerun my little air line behind that box. Basically just getting everything basic for sure from here that way. It's going to get cleaned up now and organized so it's usable. So we'll probably cut back in once that's done. And you guys are pretty much caught up with the day. It's so nice having the miter saw over here. I can use it again. My table saw, I can't really use it. It's got the the router table on top of it, and my old miter saw there, my manual one. But it's nice having actual space in here where if any equipment, anything breaks down, or just any projects I want to do, I can actually do. So anyway, just wanted to get everybody caught up. We'll cut cut back in when I got a little bit more work done. That's happening now. Take a good look at it now. All right, tell me something about that. Now I have access. I need to organize the toolboxes, but I have full access to them. The workbench, plenty of space to work on whatever small stuff I need to. Then this one, I've got places for this stuff. It's just sitting here for right now. But yeah, that's awesome. And I want to take a minute. Don't hang on. Let me here. Let's get you guys set up right here. There you go. We could sit there like that. I want to just make sure that I'm very clear that I'm still going to be doing the same stuff I've done on this channel. It's just I'm going to be doing more. I really want to share this journey that I'm starting on, but we're still going to be doing the stuff around here, you know, the playing around with equipment and the, you know, the tropical plants and the house plants and you know, all the stuff that we used to do. We're just going to be doing more. What else? I don't know. I just want to make sure, you know, everybody knows that that things aren't really, if anything, there'll be more content, maybe even daily. I want to start doing my live feeds again on the weekends. That'll be pretty cool. But yeah, it's still going to be the same old original content, just more of it and more other content as well. So yeah, sweet. Anyway, I'm going to get to the next job. I'm not sure what that is, but I know it's something. And yeah, we'll check back in a little while. All right, guys, I'm going to get this video finished up here. Get it out to you guys tonight, hopefully. I got another job. Got to go cut some wood up, so I'm just going to sharpen the power saw here. And I'm not going to do this job until Wednesday, though. So that's when they wanted me to come over and do it. Actually, I've got to... I always forget to mark the link that I start on, so I know where I'm ending up. So yeah, they want me to go do the job, and I know it's okay to film there, so I'm excited about that. I can get some footage out working, which is kind of something I've been wanting to do. So got to go cut up some trees. They're already down. I don't know the whole story. They're already down, but they just want them cut up and hauled off. So I happen to burn wood, so I'm going to go over there and make some money cutting some trees up and hauling them off. That'll be pretty fun. Maybe a couple hours. I don't know how much footage I'll get out of it, but we'll get something. Gotta make sure I remember all my personal protective equipment. I sharpen my chain after every time I use the saw. Not like every cut, that's ridiculous, but every day of use. Unless I hit something, then I'll sharpen it. You know, I got my files with me. I'll put a quick file on it. But and I don't hit the rakers on this one because I've already hit them too hard. And it actually, yeah, this is quite a hungry saw. Doesn't take much. Sharpened the little limbing saw yesterday. Don't know if I'm going to bring them both. I'm going to bring this saw. That's the one sure thing. All right, this is the part that going the other way, just I never get it. It seems to be a pain in the butt. It's slower. It's just, well, like I said, it's a pain in the butt. Just because I'm right-handed, I think.
I'm excited to already have a couple jobs lined up. Well, one at least. One's a sure thing. This wood the trees I gotta go cut up on Wednesday, that's a sure thing. But this other one, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it, but I won't know till I get there and I talk to the folks and make a deal with them. But I'm confident in myself and my presentation that I'll get it. I sure hope so, because it's a long drive. All right. God, it's hot in here. It's 100 degrees inside. I would turn the ACs on, but I don't really plan on being out here for that long. But see, can you guys see that? It's 100 degrees. So this power saw is ready. Ready to rock and roll. I love this saw. It's a Husqvarna 440. It's a 440E, and a lot of guys might not. It's weird. So I was told all the 440s have that. I'm sorry, it's on this side. All the 440s have that adjuster thing out here. Well, as you can see, this does not have it. And you see right here, 440. It's hard to see in the dark there. Let's get you in the light. Get a brighter situation for you. So you see here, E-Series 440 X-Torque. Yeah, it's a 440 E-Series. But as you can see, oh, don't hit the chain on. It's I don't have that adjuster. I've got the single bar nut, and then I'm sorry, it's been a while. The adjuster's right here. It's right down there. But anyway, guys, that is going to be all for today for this video. I might have to start making them a little bit shorter. I don't know. I'm going to play around with it a little bit. But I'm going to be, as you can imagine, I'm going to be very, very busy. So I got to load up the axe, got to load up the power saw. I mean, not load up. I just make sure everything's ready to go. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.